Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cosplay Sewing School. I got some new fabric. We're going to see what's in this box and all the coolness. All right, so here's the deal. I love fabric so much, so much, so much. So today I am going to be reviewing for you some new fabric that I got. It is silk, it is gorgeous, and it came from SLV Silks. It is a new to me supplier, and they are in India. They are amazingly nice, fantastic customer service. I was able to ask questions and get answers very, very quickly, even with the time change. So let's not hesitate and let's dig into what's in this box. So first thing to note, it came wrapped in this box, then in some plastic, then in some more plastic. So there was absolutely no way this could have gotten wet, which is extremely nice because I hate when you get fabric and it comes and it's icky because it wasn't packaged correctly, especially coming from overseas. So this beautiful box, this is what I like to see when I get something arriving. All right, so let's look inside. Okay, so the first thing that I noticed when I was looking in this box is this fancy envelope. And what's cool is that in here is a gorgeous sample. Now, when I say gorgeous, I mean gorgeous. And I don't know if maybe they saw my profile picture, but check this out. It matches my hair perfectly. Seriously. So if they did actually see my profile picture and send me a free sample because I have purple hair, A+++. Now that is some serious customer service. And now I must buy some because this is gorgeous. All right, so inside of here we have a description of the fabric that I actually received, along with a paper here talking about my purchase here directly from the company and letting me know that they are thankful, and that's pretty cool. Okay, so back to here. What I ordered here, this is what I got here in the sample is a dark magenta Dupioni silk. This has some slub, which I gotta tell you, I like some slub. Okay, so this has some slub to it. It has a gorgeous sheen to it. It has, it's a little bit, you can see through it. It's lightweight, but it has a beautifully nice stiff drape, as it should be. And honestly, I could think of a lot of things that I could do with this. So that's my sample. Let's get to what I actually ordered. So what I actually ordered here is a pure mulberry silk fabric. All right, so I'm going to read to you guys the description, what they gave me of the silk that I got, which is pretty darn cool that, if I didn't know, I would have that information, and I'm going to give it to you. So here we go. All right, so this is a white color silk, meaning it has not been dyed. So yeah, it's white. And it is a 100% reeled silk. So when I say reeled silk, it is not like, oh my God, it's real versus fake. It is reeled, as in reeling it in, kind of like a fishing line. Okay, so it is hand woven. This company actually weaves to order, so you can even special order things from them. Silk reeling is a process by which a number of cocoons are reeled together to produce a single thread. So, you have a little cocoon and it's being pulled and it's single fiber. So they're being pulled together in a group to produce that single thread. Okay. So this is achieved by unwinding the filaments collectively, like I said, all in the group, and pull it down at one end and in a warm water bath, and winding the resulting thread onto a fast moving reel. Pretty cool, right? They also tell me their bulk order prices. So as of today, this is about the middle of August 2020. Their 44-inch Dupioni silk is $15 a yard. The 54-inch is $18 a yard, and this is US dollars. And their plain silk fabric, so this stuff here, $15 a yard. These are really good silk prices, people, and their shipping really wasn't bad. Not at all. And they do give you a price break If you order more than a certain amount, a lot of it's 10 yards, so I did order a 10 yard here. They also tell me that this is a 2-ply warp and a 2-ply by 2 weft, which is rather nice that I can know all the details. It is also 60 grams per meter, so that lets you know the actual weight. All right, so let's open this up and see this prettiness in this box. We're just going to do this. Now, I actually just kind of started to open this up, and let's see what we have here. Let's see about this drape. Whew, this is pretty stuff here. All right, so we have a nice sheen. It's crisp, right? You can look at that crisp drape. Now, this was actually purchased for my Edwardian Captain America. And the next step that this fabric is going to be getting is it is going to be dyed. I'm going to dye it in a blue color, Cap's blue. Right? So I will be following up with some more videos reviewing how this fabric dyes and actually just getting you into the detail, the process of silk dyeing, because it is really, really fun. And I got a brand new toy, which you guys will see soon in that video. All right, so thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to click the like and subscribe, all that good stuff, YouTube-y stuff. And if you want to, especially if you want to see what's going to happen next to this fabric, because it's going to be super fun, and make sure that you check out my website, my store, cosplaysewing.school.com on all the socials. And I hope to see you back here soon. And happy fabric shopping. Bye!